Greetings, this is the voice of Nickantony Quach, coming to you from the capital of Rhode Island. Here, follow me and check out Providence and Rhode Island while looking for a better way to build your ideal self. Go to the web page at ri4c.com/help and then click on the link How to Create an Online Office to see the list of all the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. You need to have an online office in order to practice PVD philosophy. This is my list of accounts. It has nothing in it at this time. The very first step is to create an email account using gmail.com. Open your web browser, go there and create your Google account as instructed. After the email account is ready to go, test it and see if it can send and receive email. If you want, you can use my email to test your new email account. After your email account is set up, you can go to wordpress.com to create your first website. I normally declare my username to be the same as my email name. My first website is my private secret website. I also used my email name as the name of my secret website. To test and see if my newly created website works, I close my browser, restart the browser, go to WordPress, and make sure that I log out of WordPress, and then use my URL, the address of the newly created website, and go there to see if I can view the website without logging into WordPress. At this time, I have 2 accounts and 1 website. I want to make my first website to be a secret private website, and I have no plan to use it for anything. Instead of clicking around, you can also go directly to the address of your website, then put in at the end a slash and then spell ADMIN, and then press enter to go to the admin menu of your website. Select the menu Settings, Reading, then scroll to the place where you can click on the radio button that says I would like to make my site private. Then scroll down and click on Save Changes. When you're ready to test your private secret website, you need to sign out of WordPress and then go to your URL, go to the address of your website and see if you can access it without logging in. Do the same thing as before to create a second website and use it as your personal bio blog. Again, log back into WordPress. Click on My Site and then scroll down to the bottom, then click on the button that says Add New Site. Remember, we are creating a new website using the same WordPress account. Do not create a second account with WordPress. A bio blog is a website that is used as your private online office for your business of the self. Follow the steps as shown on the screen and make sure that your private online office is not accessible to the public. Log out of WordPress, then try to access your bio blog and see if the public can access your private personal online office. When ready, log back in and make your office look nicer. Bring up the admin menu, select Appearance, and then select Themes. Then enter the name of the theme as DYAD space number 2, and then click on Activate. Your bio blog or your online office should look a bit different now. I like to use the display theme Diet 2 because it lets my main menu on the desktop expand to the left from its position at the upper right corner of the browser window. Let's figure out how to improve the main menus and add a few commands to it. View site, go to the bio blog, go to the admin menu, add a new page, now we want to create a new page whose title is Posts, and the body can be anything for now, it doesn't matter. Uh-oh, I cannot publish this page because WordPress did not get a confirmation from my email account yet. Now I need to bring up my email and activate my WordPress account. When ready, go to the admin menu, select appearance menu, then select posts, then add that page as an item on the menu. Here we want to copy the address at the top and create a command that would allow us to go back here to edit this menu anytime. Click on pages and then click on view of any page to see how the menu looks different now. On the admin menu, there are commands for us to add a new page or a new post to the office. Let's make them available on the main menu of the Bower block. Basically, we need to execute the commands to add new page or new post and then copy the URLs as custom links in the main menus of the website. When you finish constructing the menu with new commands, display any page and verify to make sure that your main menus now has the newly added commands. With the newly improved menu, you should be able to add a new post to your office easily without the need to go to the admin menu. Now on my list of accounts, I have one email account and two websites using the same account at WordPress. Again, I'm Nickantony Quach and Here's my email address. If that email address doesn't work, just go to ri4ctv.com/nick and look up my latest contact info. It does not matter where you are, I'm only an email away. If necessary, set up a chat session and I will help you directly with your business of the self. "20 years ago, I created a website using WordPress, and I use it as my private online office. It is still working for me, so I feel very good about using WordPress as a place where I can store my private information. To wrap up this video, I'm going to leave you with a trailer introducing you to a mini series, Thumos Love.